Hey guys, welcome to the tips and tricks with Uspe. Today I'll be sharing a very exciting video. If you are struggling to grow your hair or mastering the rice water home remedy to grow your hair, please watch until the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. For this remedy you will need the following. You will need your rice, your bowel, your water, your lemon, the container, and lastly the grater. So you will start by washing your rice because obviously you need to remove that dirt. Pour in your water and you just remove those dirt. It's nothing much. Drain out that water and you wash again. Doesn't matter how many times you repeat the process. Then take your jar, and then after washing your rice, and then you'll then put it in your container. Then after this you then pour clean fresh water. Then you take your lemon and the grater, and then just to kill, because rice water has a really bad smell, and you just grate whatever inside the jar. So these lemon peels will help you kill the smell of rice water because it smells really bad. Wherever you want besides your fridge, because you need your rice to be fermented, basically to get rotten for the mixture to be okay. And then you keep it in your cupboard wherever for 24 hours to 48 hours before use. So it's been 3 days and my rice water is now ready for use. This is how your rice water should look like after 3 days. So it is totally up to you whether you pre-wash your hair just to prepare your hair before the process. You just apply rice water on your hair as it is. So I have my spray bottle that will help me apply the rice water. This is also totally optional. You can just pour the mixture on your hair because really it's just a rinse. There's nothing much to it. So I'll be pouring this on my bottle and then I'll get back to you guys when we are applying the rice water. Okay, now that you have your mixture on your bottle, you can then go ahead and just apply on your hair. So let's do this. So you can choose to section your hair in sections just to make it easy for you to apply your water on your hair. Make sure that it is evenly applied, and yeah. Guys, this is not smelling good. Like, it smells horrible. So you can try this at your own risk because it is smelling horrible. That's why I used lemon peels just to kill the smell, but you can use your essential oils if you want to, but still it doesn't smell nice at all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Tell me down below if you've ever tried rice water. Did it work for you? And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. So please do give this method a try, obviously if you do not have any allergies, and please let me know if it worked for you, because it has been working for me. Maybe it won't work for you, maybe it will. Just give it a try and let me know if it worked for you. So please let me know, guys, if you have tried any home remedies to grow your hair. Did it work? Is it working? Please share the tips. This is the one I know and it's been working for me. I have been using rice water for like 2 years now, and I won't say like it works immediately, but with time, give it like 2 weeks and then you will see your results. So please do share your home remedies. What do you use to grow your hair, because we all want to grow our hair after all. Okay, after making sure that your hair is soaking wet, go ahead, rinse your hair. You can use a conditioner just to make sure that your hair is not breaking, and then then basically you are done. You can apply any product to keep your hair fully moisturized. Let me go and rinse off my hair and then I'll see you guys. So that is it from me. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe.